Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You sit beside Granny and start immediately. Pick a calm spot and place the remote where she can see it. Explain why batteries matter, then swap them if the remote is sluggish. This avoids frustration. Point out the power, volume, and channel buttons while she watches the TV respond. This builds a direct link between action and result. Use short phrases and gentle pace. Once done, let her press a button herself while you guide her hand, reinforcing confidence and muscle memory. Now focus on the how and why of core functions. Label the power, volume, and channel controls so they're easy to read. Demonstrate pressing once for a single change and holding for continuous change. Explain that holding causes numbers to scroll faster. Walk through opening the program guide and returning, saying why each step matters for control. Make Granny try each action twice while you narrate the effect. Once she repeats it smoothly, introduce one extra function like mute or input. Finish by running a short routine together. Power on, adjust volume, change channel, then open the guide. This sequence cements the workflow. Make a single-sheet sheet note with the 3 steps and attach it near the remote. Explain why each troubleshooting step works. Batteries provide power, aiming aligns the infrared signal, and power cycling resets devices. If something goes wrong, stay calm and walk through those checks out loud. Encourage regular short practice sessions to keep skills fresh and reduce anxiety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.